Hey guys, let's do the Passkeys demo on the near intense. So first of all, let's click sign in button here and click passkey here. You can use already existing passkeys here. For the macOS users, you can use your passkeys from the Google, Touch ID or Face ID from Apple, iCloud keychain, QR scan, or passkeys stored in the Chrome. You can also use password managers like 1Password or Bitwarden, etc., or even hardware keys like YubiKeys. You can also just create a new key. So let's name this like my passkey. Let's create this one. Now we can save it inside the password manager. And after that, you need to check that it's working. So click check compatibility button and then sign in button. And we're in. You can see that you have successfully signed in with that passkey. Okay, so now we have logged in and we can deposit some funds. So let's deposit some Ether from the Ethereum network. We are receiving this deposit address here. So let's just go to MetaMask, for example, and click send button here. Let's enter our deposit address and let's send some Ethereum. That's it. Now let's wait for a moment. And check our balance here. It should be updated soon. As you can see, it's now in progress. And that's it, it's completed. So now we can take that Ether and, for example, get some USDT from it. Let's swap. Now we can just sign in here with the passkey, and you can see that this transaction on near was actually signed by your passkey via near intense, and now we have the USDT on our balance. Let's withdraw it somewhere, for example, to my near address. Let's click sign in one more time. Let's wait for a moment. And that's it. It's completed. And if you'll go to the Explorer, you'll see that my account has received here the USDT tokens. That's it. Thanks for your attention.